Chocolate mousse versus vegan chocolate mousse. Which one of the two recipes will I choose as my winner? Well, stay tuned throughout the recipe because I'm going to be giving you some top tips. Plus, you'll find out which one was actually my favourite recipe. And these recipes are for 2 people. So say you've got a family of 4, then that's easy. You go to my recipe card and you'll find a very, very helpful tool on there. It has the 2 times, 3 times, 4 times digit, which means you just press it and it calculates the ingredients up for you. I mean, how simple could that be? All the details you'll need to get the links for my recipes are down in the description below. Well, let's crack on. No faff in my videos. Let's go to the chocolate mousse recipe.
In a saucepan, bring 50 ml of single cream to a gentle boil. Then separate your egg yolk and egg white. Take the single cream off the stove and add 90 grams of chocolate. I'm using dark chocolate here. Stir until you get it silky smooth. Add a pinch of salt to the chocolate mix. Then you need to beat in the egg yolk. Place in a bowl to cool. Then you need to whisk up the egg whites until they're like fluffy soft white peaks. The next stage has to be done gently. You need to fold the mixture in. Don't be too overzealous because you need to keep that air. Place it into bowls and then into the fridge for around about 3 to 4 hours.
Top tip for you here, if you don't like a dark chocolate taste, then you can substitute it. How about choosing half dark chocolate, half milk chocolate, which is actually my preferred option. However, you can go full naughty if you want and go full milk chocolate, which does give a sweeter taste to the recipe. However, there are some people who do not like over sweet desserts, and so this one is a good one for those people who want a dessert but don't like ones that are too sweet on the tooth. Now on to the vegan chocolate mousse recipe, which could not be any more simpler if it tried.
In a food processor, get 100 grams of avocado that's been weighed and is skinned and sliced. Then 40 grams of cocoa. 65 ml of maple syrup. 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a pinch of salt. Then you need to whiz it up. Now don't worry if some of the mixture sticks to the side, just get a spatula and go round. Add a tablespoon of water if necessary and blitz so that it's nice and smooth. Then you can serve.
Top tip here, have you got an avocado in the fridge and it's really soft? They're the best ones to use for this recipe because they will whiz up quicker and give a more mousse-like texture. So don't throw that older avocado away. Use this recipe because it's gonna blow your mind. So out of the 2 recipes, which one won? Well, that's a really, really difficult one because the ordinary chocolate mousse is great when I use half dark, half milk. That's a real beauty. Plus, you can do other naughty things with it as well on top, like the squirty cream and the raspberries. Yeah, that sort of stuff does happen, even though I'm into fitness. However, the vegan chocolate mousse probably edges it because it has surprised so many people. Yes, I've used this one at dinner parties and even on my husband for Valentine's. Yes, it's a great little recipe to whiz up. It's super quick too, really quick. I find it's a lot quicker and a lot less faff than the ordinary chocolate mousse. So if you want to surprise people, just don't tell them it's a vegan chocolate mousse. Just say it's a chocolate mousse and see what they think. Because I think that one is a clear winner just because of the sheer surprise of the ingredients, but also because it is super quick to whiz up.
The full recipe that you can print out and get more great ideas from is on the website, and you can watch the video again. There is also the nutritional fact sheets too. All you have to do is go to my website, cookingwithemily.co.uk.